Okay, so my package came. This is going to be a little unboxing of what I got, and I'm seeing it for the first time. I haven't really done anything except for remove the personal information from the packaging. Okay, I'm just going to unbox this real quick. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, as everybody says. Every unboxer says that for the first time. Okay, I'm just gonna put this. Okay, there was that one. There's that one. Okay, I got that side. Let's get this side and just lift it up. And holy shit. Sorry, I'm gonna have to bleep that or something. It looks nice. Yeah, yeah. It's a buildable. Move it over here. So here's the neck. I'm just gonna take this out quick. I'm putting my camera on the body. Base. Yes, I ordered a base. Fret ends are not too sharp, but they could be improved. At least that's the way it feels. It feels kind of rough, so it's going to need a lot of sanding. And that looks a little high, so we're going to have to deal with that. Yeah, it just feels really rough. It's kind of weird. It came with a bunch of accessories, pickups and whatnot. Here's the lead they gave me, as they would call it. I got some cheap bass strings as well. I got a bridge, one of those crappy 3-point bridges, because this is a acoustic bass, semi-acoustic. So I'm gonna put this neck down for a second. Oh cool, they give you a scan code. And now, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. Where's the opening on this? So, yes it is. Oh man. Haha. It's an acoustic bass kit. Semi-acoustic bass kit. One hell of a kit. Yeah, I'm just gonna go off the rails here. So let's see if the neck fits in the pocket. It's a bit loose, but should work. Not too loose, not too tight. It could be a little bit tighter. I might have to shim it or something. We'll see. The one thing I'm concerned about is putting this neck on and then having to shim the neck, even though it's glued in. So that would be a real pain to get this back out after I put it in and whatnot. So I'm gonna try and get a clamp or something for this neck that that way I can affix it to the body, put strings on it, tuners, everything. Yes, they did. They drilled the tuner holes. That's cool. I'm gonna have to level the frets most likely. Yeah, Looks good this angle. Just looking at down it right now. I don't know how straight it is. Let's see. It's got a little bit of back bow in it. Not bananaed, but you know, sort of like an Arab sword. Yep, so there's that. I'll do some more videos of this kit if I can, if I remember. I'll try to remember. So let me get the pickups out, check those out real quick. Oof. Humbuckers. I'm probably gonna put a sidewinder pickup in the front. I'm gonna put one of those EBO styled thingies. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. They didn't leave pickup holes. What the hell? Look at this. You have to drill your own holes. That's gonna be fun. Damn, that really sucks. Thought I'd get off scot-free with this one. Nope. Yeah, it's a little rough, but I mean, now I have it, it's cool. I just gotta put it together. Alright guys, let me pull the wires out. Tuners and, oh, we have knobs. Let's check out the tuners. They look okay. They're not pot metal or anything. They look okay. Here's a knob for you. Not my knob. They give you wire. That's cool. Oh, and here's this switch. I have a few of these in a backpack. That's at my old school. So I'm gonna have to go over there and get that. I might not use this one. We'll see. It's adequate. That's my friends or whatever. My luthier friends on YouTube. This came backwards, I think. It's bridge post. So I'm gonna have to mount it like that and then put this thing on backwards from what it was in the packaging. So there's that. What else I'm looking for? I got the pots. Yeah, they look okay. And the all that other stuff. I got a pretty crappy jack that came with it. So I'm gonna have to upgrade the pots and the jack when I get some time. Here they are, sorry. Just put my camera down so I can pick the stuff up. Duh. It's a me duh, not a you duh. Okay. I never thought of that. I guess you would have to get a backwards tuner for the, yeah, neck. But yeah, this is very rough. Rougher than I'd imagine. Oh wow, look at that. See the gap there? Alright, that's about enough. I think. Yeah, I've looked through everything. There's nothing else to look at. We're done. Body shot. We're done.